to that. And we'll be seeing Team Raven making much use of both as well as the 45-degree lines during this display, constantly changing direction, showing us the capabilities, the agility of this incredibly popular light aeroplane. The team leader, Simon Shirley, calling coming left and staying in double formation for an underside pass. Simon's in his 10th season as a display pilot, and the pilots making up Team Raven come from a variety of flying backgrounds. Some of them are ex-military, some of them are private pilots with a lot of experience, but they're united by enthusiasm for display flying. There go two of them splitting off, Ravens 4 and 5 breaking away. They're now braking onto the big axis, coming straight in towards us. And both pilots pulling back on the stick there, heading vertical, performing a quarter look into vertical. And this is for them to describe what's known as a quarter clover manoeuvre, the outline being that a quarter this time in box formation to perform a close formation barrel roll. In the case of Simon Shirley, the team leader, he comes from an RAF background, around 5,500 flying hours in his logbook. He flew multiple tours on the Tornado F3 air defence fighter, including missions operationally over the Balkans during the conflicts in the former Yugoslavia in the mid-1990s. He's also been a qualified flying instructor on the Hawk, the Grand Tutor for a university air squadron, and in elementary flying training, and on the newer Grob G120 TP, the Prefect, and he's currently a full-time reservist qualified flying instructor and air experience flight commander on the Universities of Wales Air Squadron and Sudathan on the Avro Tutor, or even the Grob Tutor. My apologies, the Avro Tutor, certainly no longer in the current Royal Air Force service. Meanwhile, Ravens 4 and 5 entertaining us again. Stern formation, maintaining it magnificently despite the heavy buffeting they're experiencing. With Ravens 1, 2 and 3 still in mid formation, and this is a pass they call Cyclone, with Ravens 6 barrel rolling lazily around their smoke. Raven 6 are now performing the barrel roll to Mark Southern. He's another RAF Tornado pilot, this time the GR1 strike variant. He also flew an instructional tour on the jet bombers. But he's for the last 30 years been flying for the airlines in both Boeing and Airbus products. And his previous display experience before joining Team Raven was on ex-military jets. He owned Walker Hunter for a while and flew that with the Team Viper aerobatic team. And you can see Ravens 4 and 5 rejoining the main formation. There's Gerald Williams and Russ Eatwell. Gerald is one of the private pilots on the team. He was originally a professional rugby player in Wales, New Zealand and South Africa. He now is a businessman in the Swansea area. While the Corsair and the Bearcat Rugby, the hard rugby, go at home. Gerald's been a private pilot for a quarter of a century now. He has more than 2,000 hours in his logbook, including a lot of time on ex-military jets, likes of the Jet Provost, Strike Master, Vampire, Venom, Hunter and others. The team leader pulling up. And there go Ravens 4 setting up in opposition to one another. And crossing over. Both barrel rolling as they head out and away from us. And the Sea Harrier, he also flew the Swordfish and the Seahawk for the Royal Navy Historic Flight, and various Spitfires. He's now training RAF Royal Navy fighter pilots at Valley on the Hawk T2. Set up in a loose battle formation. And for the battle to you, and this time it's for the very spectacular crossing break. Tail chase, and they'll be performing the tail chase double loop. All of this showing just what a terrific aerobatic performance the band's RV-8 is part of the very extensive family of home-built light aircraft, designed and developed by a very talented American by the name of Richard Van Grunsman. They've sold in their thousands worldwide, and they show just what's possible now in terms of the art of home-building aeroplanes, because this is not just a very, very good aeroplane for the private pilot to use for touring purposes, but it has that aerobatic capability if you want to work up to that. Got long range, a high cruise speed of about 220 miles an hour, comfortable cockpit, all in all a very attractive proposition. So there we have Ravens 1, 2 and 3. A very attractive figure coming up. They were barrel rolling there in Vic. They've now changed into an echelon formation for the fallaways. Raven 2 is a very experienced display pilot, Peter Wells, and he, like Russie, well joined the team last year. Now here's a really favourite manoeuvre of the team, of course. Ravens 4 and 5 pulling up, putting the smoke on and splitting for the Team Raven heart, which is pierced by Raven 6. And now 1, 2 and 3. Coming in for what they call the crocodile loops. Services. He lives in Swansea. He's also a very enthusiastic glider pilot, as well as flying powered aircraft like this RV-8. Now, as you can see, the team is getting back into the large formation. Smoke going themselves. In parallel to you, the leader calling pulling up. And then he rolls the formation left, everyone acting on his command. And this is the downward bomb berth break.